Hey guys, Rich Sparks. I'm going to be showing you a fantastic condo. Let's go check it out. Welcome to 5524 Acorn Lane, located in Sterling Heights, right off of Mound, just south of M59. This is a raised ranch with a private balcony, backing up to a beautiful green space, so you're away from Mound Road. You don't get that traffic noise. Brand new carpeting throughout. Very clean, very updated, a very elegant living situation. Now, the seller did have the gas fireplace cleaned and checked just to ensure the new owner will have nice, easy enjoyment. Now, come on, guys, look at the counter spaces. This is a condo. 2-bedroom, 2-bath, but for entertaining purposes, you have all the counter space you could possibly want. So if you're like to cook, this is a great place for you. He also had luxury vinyl plank flooring installed in the kitchen. So you have new flooring throughout the entire place. Glass tile backsplash, very nice. I love this vinyl plank. Isn't that beautiful? Stainless steel appliances. All the appliances are coming. Stove, refrigerator, washer, and dryer. Then right off your bedroom here, if you want to go out and enjoy the morning with a cup of coffee, this is a great place for it. And really the beauty of this one is you're on the back of the building, so you get some privacy, you get a little bit of nature. Now, both bathrooms have been updated beautifully. Gorgeous tile. You have updated sink. You have updated everything. I mean, it's just absolutely beautiful. And they're the mirror image of each other. This is bedroom number 2, very large. By the way, this place has so much new things. It has a new 40-gallon hot water tank. Has a brand new, back in September 2021, a carrier furnace and carrier central air. So you guys are all set on this. This place has been totally updated. There's that carrier system. Has a 1-car attached garage. Don't miss out. This really is a great place.